guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Haley, or also known as Madz, and today I'm going to be doing a little bit of a hair tutorial for you guys. So I have posted them on my Instagram a few times now, my little low space buns that I do. Super easy if you don't really feel like doing your hair that day, but you want something just like out of your face and off your neck. It's super fun and easy. So I'm gonna kind of walk you through what I do. My hair is about a day or two old from the shower, so I have a little bit room to play with it and kind of get what I want. But go ahead and brush out your hair so it's easier to work with. Part it down the middle. If you want some bangs out and you guys have bangs, you can also do this with bangs and just kind of do a little part in the middle down the back. I have a natural middle part. I don't really have bangs. I have a few pieces in the front here that I will pull out if I wanted to. But yeah, just kind of drag your little middle part down, so you should have two chunks of hair on the side. Like I said, this is one of my easiest things I do, especially if I'm running around and it's super hot out. This is my go-to. So you're gonna kind of create like a low pony, kind of try and make it as flat as you can. So it'll kind of just be like this. You'll have one side like this. I get little hairs that get stuck in there and it kind of hurts, so I'll pull some of those out. But what you're gonna wanna do is wrap it like you're gonna wrap it into a ponytail, and then stop and just put it into like a little bun like this. So you'll kind of have this chunk out right here and you'll have a little space bun here. So go ahead and do that on both sides. So you'll see I kind of have these weird little like pokey things out the side. What you're gonna do is take that little piece and wrap it around your ponytail and stick it into the ponytail so it holds. So it covers up the ponytail holder itself. So you'll kind of just wrap it around and then stick it into the side of the pony, and it wraps around so you don't see the ponytail at all on both sides. You can, if you have bangs, kind of pull those out. I pull out little bits of my side hairs so your face isn't super like empty. Sometimes I'll pull out some pieces in the front to kind of just like shape my face a little bit more. Again, you can also do this with bangs if you have them or whatever you've got going. You can just part from the middle back. You can do however you want. But it's super easy. I kind of like when I get these little wispies. It kind of just like adds, I think, like a little Phoebe Buffet flair to it. But yeah, it's super easy. You cover up your little ponytail so you can't see it. It's off your neck, it's off your back. It's super nice. If you really want it, you can get it all out of your face as well. So for the summer, it's perfect. I'll do a little spin so you guys can see it all the way around. But yeah, super easy, and it is one of my favorite go-tos right now. I also will show you guys how I do this in reverse on the top of my head, which is really fun. But yeah, if you guys do these, be sure to tag me in your photos of them. I can't wait to see you guys do this. So fun, so easy. And if you are new here, be sure to like and subscribe. And if you're a returner, thank you for coming back, and let me know what videos you want to see more of in the future. Thanks so much for watching. If you aren't a subscriber, make sure to hit the subscribe button below and comment what other videos you'd like to see.